Let's see if I understand. You're saying terror is like a cancer. When it enters the body, it has a lot of different areas it takes over, and a direct treatment doesn't work. I know it unfortunately from family members. If you cut it, it will appear in a different place. And usually it's worse, until the whole body is taken over. Now I'm translating what you say to mankind. It's like a human body. The terrorism today in the modern world is like a cancer. It doesn't matter how we blow these organizations, it will rise in a different area. Now let's focus on the treatment. The treatment is not directly against it, but through connection of all the other parts of the body. Yes, because why is terror appearing? Because your body is not connected. Explain, please. Terrorism shows you where your body is not functioning correctly. What is the cancer? Parts of the body that they're not functioning in the right manner. They don't complete one another. This is cancer. The body functions, but all of a sudden there is some kind of mistake in its program. It starts eating its environment. This tumor, yes, starts eating the environment, but it's because the environment wasn't functioning correctly. It caused the cancer, and when causing this cancer, it wasn't strong enough and connected enough between all the tissue cells. Then this cancer and tumor starts cleaning up and eating everything around. Okay, so let's go back to humanity. What caused this cancer cell of terrorist? If humanity would develop from connection, through connection, more and more connection, like we evolve, we connect more. We evolved from shatterings and troubles and wars more and more, till we reach the state that there is no connection between parts. Each and everyone takes care of himself. All of that country is willing to destroy the rest of the world. In this way, you have a lot of areas, corruptions, that tumors can arise, these terrorist organizations. I'm not surprised that it's appearing everywhere. South America, North America, we see a lot of organizations. For now, they are working quietly, but we have a lot of them. It's because the body, the human body of humanity, it doesn't function correctly. If the body was functioning correctly, of course, we wouldn't have this. So what you need to do, you need to make it well through integral education, which will bring this body to connect correctly. Please give an explanation, a definition, that we all take care of one another like a family, like a body, human body. All the organs function in harmony. If we would reach this, how would it affect the cancer? It would disappear, because the body would heal itself. What is the connection? Because the force of connection in the body would overcome the force of separation in the body. Once again, the force of a huge body of connection would overcome the smaller force, the vicious force of terror. And what force? The force of love, connection. They would just disappear without even fighting them. I mean, I can talk even that extreme. They wouldn't have any ability to exist. Today they exist from our weakness, from the fact that we are separated. You mean the nations of the world? Yes. You're saying that because the nations of the world is egoistically acting and we have a separation, the result is terrorist organizations that are appearing like mushrooms after a rain? Yes? So the body is basically the connection between nations of the world, and if we correct it, cancer will disappear. Yes? You're connecting a lot of strength to this force, because it's the most basic, highest force in nature. It stabilizes all of reality. All of reality is one system.